Flamingo chef, show us what you got, with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet spot.
Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo chef. Thanks for joining me for this quick episode of entertaining tips. And today we're going to do napkin folding 101. We're going to do two folds. We're going to do the traditional fan fold, and we're going to do the simple, easy table tent. So stay with me. Let's have a little fun. All right, the first one we're going to do is the standard tent. This is probably the easiest napkin fold there is, but it's also easy to do it wrong. So this is pretty simple. You're going to fold it corner to corner again, like so. Flip it over the other way, and that's all there is to it. So let's do it one more time so you can see it from beginning to end. So pick a corner. I'm very right-handed, so I start here and I go across to make a big triangle. Then I turn the triangle like this. From the center, I take one end up to the top. Then I do the same thing with the other end. Now I flip the whole thing over, and these folded ends you want that way. So they're going to wind up being right here in front of you. Then fold it in half to you, like so, and fold it over itself. And there it is. To fold the fan, sometimes called the seashell, one thing that you got to remember about this is that that's the back, this is the front. Now when you're storing these, if you want to fold them ahead of time, the really cool thing is you can fold them over themselves and leave them like that. Let me show you how you get there. Take your napkin, back side up, and we're going to fold it from one side to the other in half. And then just kind of press it out like so. Turn it away from yourself. Now the folded edge should be to your strong hand. What you're going to do is turn this, just make a fold 2 times. And it really doesn't matter how thick it is. The thickness is just going to be enough to build a base. So for me, it's about 2 thumb widths. Now after you've folded it twice, flip the napkin over, fold it along itself to the edge again, flip it over, fold it to that edge again, flip it over, fold it to the edge again, flip it over, fold it to the edge again. Now you've got just over an equal amount on this side. With the flat side on the bottom, fold it in half, like so. Okay, then take all of this extra, kind of open this up a little bit, and just tuck this in all the way to the corner. Now it can lay flat like this. When you're ready to open it, you lay it with the back edge away from you and just unfold the fan. We'll do it one more time so you can see it. Fold in half. I like the folded edge to my right hand, but it really doesn't matter. You can do it either way. Fold, fold again, turn over, fold, turn over, fold, turn over, fold, turn over, fold, fold in half, and then take the lift up and tuck this inside. Press down so you got a good crease. It's folded. When it's ready to open, just fan it out. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll have more for you. See you soon.
In the heart of Kansas, under sky so clear, lives a chef with a flair, bringing folks some cheer. With a pinch of love and a dash of zest, he's the Kansas Flamingo, and his meals are the best.